So what is a document template anyway? Well, a document template is an outline or model of a file you can use when creating a new document in Scrivener. And unlike project templates, which live in Scrivener's new project window, these templates live inside your Scrivener project, and even more specifically in the binder, in a special folder called the Templates folder. So why would I want to use document templates? Documents are useful for a variety of reasons. Take character sketches, for example. By creating a template for your sketches, you can include all the various fields you need so that creating new characters is a breeze. Not to mention, you can customize the formatting to ensure consistency throughout all your character sheets from start to finish. But it doesn't stop there. You can create templates for scenes, chapters, settings, outlines, and so much more, which I'll share over the course of this video series. Ready to get started? Well, be sure to check out the rest of this video series. And if you're new to Scrivener or just need a refresher on how to use its many features, I have a lot of great resources available for you. For our comprehensive list of Scrivener tutorials, check out my YouTube channel, Turning Writers into Authors, and sign up for my newsletter. You'll find the link in my bio or on my channel page. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Happy writing!